Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable securing PostgreSQL on VPS with SSL and Firewall, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure PostgreSQL on a VPS using SSL and a firewall, follow these steps carefully. First, access your VPS using SSH. Ensure that you have root privileges to make necessary changes. Update your system packages to the latest version. Install PostgreSQL if it's not already installed. Use the command to install OpenSSL for enabling SSL. Generate a self-signed SSL certificate. Create a private key and a certificate for PostgreSQL. Store these files in the appropriate PostgreSQL directory. Edit the PostgreSQL configuration file, typically located in the data directory. Find the SSL settings in the configuration file. Set the SSL option to on. Specify the SSL certificate and key file paths in the configuration file. Save the changes and exit the editor. Restart the PostgreSQL service to apply the new configuration. Verify that PostgreSQL is running with SSL enabled. Next, configure the firewall to restrict access to PostgreSQL. Access your firewall settings using command line tools or your cloud provider's GUI. Allow incoming traffic only from trusted IP addresses. Deny all other incoming connections for PostgreSQL's port. Check the firewall rules to ensure they are correctly applied. Conduct a connection test to ensure PostgreSQL is accessible with SSL. Use a PostgreSQL client that supports SSL to connect. Specify the SSL mode in your connection command. Once connected, check the connection settings to confirm SSL is in use. Review the server logs to verify any connection attempts. Adjust your PostgreSQL user permissions for enhanced security. Limit privileges to only what is necessary for each user. Consider enabling additional security features, such as fail to ban. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.